Everyone, welcome back to Crochet Bits and Knits. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make the easiest magic circle. If you enjoy my videos, please like, comment, and consider subscribing below. So all it really is you get the end of the yarn here, and then just wrap it around your two fingers twice like that. So you have two, just kind of hold that down. Grab my hook. So you're going to get your hook and go underneath the first strand of yarn, and then hook the second strand of yarn and pull that underneath and into the front. Now twist and just hold the piece that's on your hook with your index and thumb finger. This way you don't drop it. Get the strand of yarn that's coming off the ball, and then you just start to make your single crochets, double crochets, or whatever it is that you're doing right into that magic circle. And you just want to give the circle a lot of support with your middle and thumb finger so that it's not just kind of crazy all over the place. So I'll just single crochet 6 times into here so that I can show you once you have your single or double crochets or whatever you're doing into the magic circle, get the piece of yarn that ends here and just pull that, and that's going to close up your circle. Then just put that piece out of the way and slip stitch into that first stitch that you made. And there's your circle. Now you can keep moving around to start making a hat or whatever it is that you're doing. I hope you guys have a better idea of how to make the magic circle. Thank you so much for watching. Again, if you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing and don't forget to hit the little bell button so you never miss a new video.